Hello chuffers. It's very dark in here. Soon we'll be flooded into excellent light. We're going to run the tram on the railway today with all of the carriages. So I'm just moving everything outside as we speak. The sun is well and truly out. It's a wonderful Saturday. My daughter's in her car. And everything has survived another week. Here's the metal. Right, film the train. Let me just sort of open it for you.
Hard. The shade of it. I'm sure. Sure.
To full all the carriages I have now. This is my patented paperclip system here. And large rocks for ballast. Lila, here's the camera. Okay.
Follow. I follow it. One. Two. Four. Order. Shoulder. Share. Follow. Share.
Now you haven't been able to see because you've been with Lila Cam, but there's been quite a few crashes. Daddy needs to go and get his snippers.
Hi. Follow. Share. Share. Hi. Mommy share a follow there. Four.
Blue sky. We have recovered, Lila. The train is no longer under Daddy's control. It is now under Lila's control. And after a little bit of we've had a derailment. This dodgy point here, that's the problem. So after a bit of trimming, the train now makes it all the way round. And actually it looks like quite a nice little train. It's got some big lumps of stone on it. It's quite impressive that it pulls that much weight. Here you go. Like a proper train. Ow. He's derailed again. No. No. Have to go and fix the train. We've had a proper derailment. Had a few offs up here because of how the points work. We'll see if it goes through this time. No, it does not. Yep. See if this works. Yeah, keep going. Uh-oh. Yeah! It went all the way round, Lila. Uh-oh. Derailment. I actually find all these derailments quite disheartening because you just sort of want to put it on and let it go round and it doesn't. And part of that is my... Well, actually not all part of it. All of it is because I have done shoddy track laying and shoddy wagon building. So when these things do come off, it's because it's all just a little bit cheap. Which I guess I've tried to do this layout on the cheap because I don't have any money. And actually it kind of shows that there is a sort of base level of money and probably also engineering skill that you need to do it. And I wonder if I just had sort of 3 standard Pico wagons with the correct coupling like this, then we would not have all of these problems. And it's a sort of combination of these sort of cheaper IP engineering wagons, which are just made of wood and very light, and my, Vincent engineering remodels of Pico. But sort of that is also the point of this hobby, I think. If you just go and buy it all, then that's just a train set, isn't it? Whereas this is meant to be a railway, and these tribulations must have been had by real railways, except, you need much bigger cranes to put it all back together. Anyway, just going to shoot some video of this going around now, and probably play some music. Double paperclip seems to work quite well though, because the join in the middle means the paperclips sag and then rejoin. So you don't just get it knocked off, which you get with a single paperclip. I just tried it with a big paperclip and that didn't work anywhere like as well. So obviously the double paperclip is the trick. The problem is I've run out of paper clips. My hair is very floppy today. Had quite a big crash. Probably been the most stoppy-starty run that I've had since completing this railway. See if we get round this time. She points.